Hello and welcome to today's video. Sumner and I are here in Merida, Mexico. That's why we have yet another setting over here for our videos. And actually, if you want to see how we spend our free time and what we do when we're not working on our Amazon FBA business, you're welcome to follow us on our travel channel, Hobart's Abroad. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description below as well as in one of the corners here of the video. So be sure to subscribe. But today we're actually going to be talking about a different topic. We're going to talk about Amazon multi-channel fulfillment. And if you don't know what this is, it's an amazing opportunity for you who wants to start expanding your business. Let's say you're already selling on Amazon, you want to expand, but you do not want to deal with the hazard of looking for a third-party logistics company or another prep and ship warehouse that is going to do all of the order fulfillment for you. This is definitely the program for you. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the overview. And what is this program? This is where you can get Amazon to fulfill the orders that you have from different sales channels, just like they fulfill orders for your customers on Amazon.com. They're going to pull a product from your inventory. They're going to pack it, label, and send it to the customer, even though it's from a different sales channel. That's why it's called multi-channel fulfillment. And right here you can see there's this link, and I'm also going to provide this link in the description below that shows all of the overview of this program, and as well as all of the benefits. Amazon offers different speeds. It offers standard, expedited, and priority for most, if not all, of the products, at least for standard size. So that is a great way that you can actually offer something different, a different sales channel. You can actually offer expedited shipment that sometimes your competitors are not able to when they're shipping by themselves. So there's lots of benefits that you can read through the link below. But what I wanted to really show you guys is the fees, because I wanted to explain how it works. With Amazon, you already know by now, if you're selling on Amazon, that you pay a few fees to Amazon when you sell through Amazon.com. There's the referral fee, which is the fee that Amazon charges you because the customer found you through their platform. So that's the referral fee, which is usually around 15% of price. And with this program, you do not need to pay that fee because the customer did not use Amazon.com to find you. Also, there's the Amazon FBA fee, and a lot of people actually think that you have to pay the Amazon FBA fee and you have to pay the multi-channel fulfillment fee, or you just have to pay the Amazon FBA fee and it's not a different price if you're using this program, which is not true. Forget about the fees that you pay with your Amazon FBA business. This is the fee that you have to pay in order to use the Amazon multi-channel fulfillment. And it's all based as well on the size tiers, the shipping speed. As I said, they offer here standard, expedited, as well as priority. So there are different prices for that. And you can actually use their fee calculator and just look up your ASIN right here, and you can do multiple as well to calculate how much it will cost to ship that product, because that might actually affect the price that you're going to charge on whatever sales channel you are selling your product. Let's say it's Etsy or Shopify or eBay. Make sure you come here first and you calculate how much it's going to cost for Amazon to ship it for you, so you don't end up unprofitable or you don't lose the majority of the profit that you think that you're going to have. So with that being said, let me show you guys step by step how you're going to actually get Amazon to fulfill your orders. So from your Seller Center account, go ahead and hover over inventory and click on Manage Inventory. From there, you can click on the little arrow next to the edit button of the product you want to fulfill and click on Create Fulfillment Order. And here you have all of the details that you need to fill out. Not all of them are required, only the ones with the star. So what you're going to do is that, let's say you made a sale through Etsy. Etsy is going to notify you that you made that sale, and it's going to give you all of the customer information details for the shipping. So you just have to copy that and paste it here. The name, address, zip code, everything. The phone number and the customer email address are not required. And you can also fill in the order ID, as well as a little comment. It could be thank you for your order, or if it's a gift, you could say congratulations. And for the order ID, what I do, you can leave it blank and Amazon is just going to create a random one for you. But what I like to do to stay organized is I like to name with the sales channel name that I sold. So for example, Etsy. So I'll write in Etsy dash and use the exact same order number that Etsy gave it to me of the Etsy order, because when they email you saying that you made a sale, there's going to be an order number as well, just like Amazon has their order ID number. Etsy has one, Shopify has one. Any sales channel that you are going to sell in, they're going to create an order number for that specific sale. So just copy that and paste it here. And that's going to be much easier, because later on you can go to orders under Amazon. Just hover over orders and then look up that exact order, and you can know if it's being shipped or not. That is if you want it. So after you populate everything here, you already fill out all the details, then Amazon's going to show you all of the shipping speeds available and the prices right here. And then you can just click to select which one you prefer. And the way that you're going to be charged for this is either it's going to come out of your balance, just like Amazon pays you every 2 weeks for Amazon sales, and they take out all of their fees. This fee for this fulfillment is also going to be taken out of that. But if you have a zero balance or a negative balance, it's going to come out of the credit card on file. So just know that. And the last two things I wanted to say about that is that, one, if you have lots of orders, you don't have to do this one by one. You can click right here on create bulk orders and upload an Excel sheet with all of the details, and Amazon will automatically create all of these fulfillment orders for you. And also, one thing I forgot to say is that after you choose the shipping speed, you just need to click on place order. Sorry, I skipped a step. You just need to click on place order and you're going to be done. Then later on, Amazon's going to email you when your product has shipped, and it's going to email you with the tracking number. So all you have to do is copy that tracking number, go to your sales channel, for example, Etsy, and mark that order as fulfilled, and then they're going to request the tracking number, and you just have to paste it there. And that's it. It's done. And then lastly, remember the link that I showed you guys in the beginning? You can find that also by clicking here on learn more. And the last thing I wanted to show you guys about this program is back in that link, which is the API integration. That means that you do not have to do this manually if you have either Shopify, WooCommerce, 3D Cart, or Magento accounts. You can integrate those accounts. Let's say you have a Shopify store. You can integrate that with Amazon and have the request for that fulfillment for every order go automatically, so you don't have to do this manually. If you have a Shopify store, for example, Shopify is going to, as soon as they receive the order, they're going to automatically request the fulfillment from Amazon, and once Amazon fulfills their order, it's going to automatically fill in the tracking details. So it's all done for you. So definitely, if you're selling one of these platforms, this is a great way to save some time for sure, especially if you have a high volume of orders. And before we go, I just wanted to remind you guys to join our Facebook group. The link is going to be in the description below. It's The Amazing Escape Plan, and you can also just search for Sumner Hobart on Facebook. It's an amazing group, and we're just growing. We're always there trying to answer all of your questions and help out in different parts of the journey, giving different resources and tools, as well as the latest updates from Amazon. And lastly, if you want to know more about not only sourcing from Alibaba all the way to Amazon FBA, but also all of the logistics that are required, we also have a course on Udemy, in our opinion, very inexpensive course, but you're going to be the judge of that. The link is also going to be in the description below. Not trying to force it, just if you are interested. We have several courses on Udemy as well, and I hope you guys found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you guys in future videos.